Hi there fellow tech enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got the exciting review in store for you as we dive deep into two budget-friendly smartphones, the Coolpad CP12 Pro and its younger brother, the Coolpad CP12. So if you're looking for a super affordable smartphone, look no further, you are in the right place. The CP12 Pro made its debut earlier this year at the price of approximately 110 euros, while the CP12 is even more budget-friendly at just 90 euros. We are unboxing both of these devices and conducting a comprehensive comparison to help you determine which one suits your need best. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tech reviews. Let's get started. Which one will you choose, blue or red? Whichever one you go with. If you want to go on a budget, you can go wrong. To begin, let's start with a unboxing experience. Opening up the Coolpad CP12p red packaging. Inside you will find the phone itself, a 10-watt charger, USB cable, a SIM injector tool and the CP12p user manual. But that's not all. In the packaging you will also find this CPU elastic protective case, very nice. Now let's open the Coolpad CP12's blue packaging and let's see what's inside. Right on the top you will find the phone itself, 10-watt charger, USB cable, SIM ejector and the CP12 user manual. As in the slightly more expensive predecessor, you will also find this CPU elastic protective case in the package. The Coolpad CP12p boasts the elegant design with a glass-like rear panel in this dark blue color with the effect of small glitters that are shift through. Everything exudes a premium feel, everything is solid and does not creak anywhere. The camera layout on the back is somehow reminiscent of the Redmi Note 11 smartphone, which is actually not a bad thing. On the other hand, the CP12 comes with a camera design that is reminiscent of the iPhone 15 Pro in many ways, with a beautiful silver glossy surface and flat edges. If you always loved the design of the iPhone and you wanted it so badly but you just didn't have the money to buy it, the CP12 comes as an alternative solution. The Coolpad CP12p comes with a 6.52-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display, 720 by 1600 pixels, 20:9 ratio and 18.5% screen to body ratio, which is quite remarkable considering the price point. The display offers vibrant colors and is well suited for various forms of media consumption such as YouTube and other platforms. On the other hand, the Coolpad CP12 also features a 6.52-inch HD Plus IPS LCD display, 720 by 1600 pixels, 20:9 ratio, but with a slightly better ratio of the 82.6% screen to body ratio. Both screens are roughly similar in quality, so whichever you choose from the two in terms of screen display, you can go wrong. Overall, this is a really great screen for watching YouTube videos thanks to its large, high-quality display with vibrant colors. It will not leave you indifferent even when viewing different web pages or processing demanding documents on the screen. It will be a real pleasure to carry out your all-day work, study or entertainment. While it may not be the absolute best option available in the current mobile market, it offers more than sufficient capabilities for social networking and enjoying multimedia content with commendable quality. As you can see, YouTube videos are doing really well. Now let's shift our focus to performance. The CP12p runs on the Android 13 out of the box and is powered by a Helio P22 octa-core 2.0 GHz Cortex-A53 processor coupled with 4GB of RAM, which can be with 4GB of virtual RAM can reach up to 8GB of working memory. While it may not be a powerhouse, it handles routine tasks and light gaming quite smoothly. Meanwhile, the Coolpad CP12 It also runs on Android 30 but employs a somehow weaker Unisoc processor, also with the 4GB of RAM, which can be virtually upgraded to a total of 8GB of RAM. Remarkably, its performance is very close to the CP12p, which is impressive considering its lower price point. Both phones offer the option of 128GB of storage. Even more exciting, both devices feature a dedicated microSD card slot, ensuring that you won't run out of the space for apps and media. Mobile browsing is not the fastest we've seen, but is acceptable in this price range. You can use any social media app on it and the messages that you want without problems, and it's even possible to play games that are not too very demanding. We tried a few and it seems that most of you will be satisfied with this unless you are very demanding. One of the most interesting things about this phone is that it comes with Android 13, the latest version of Google's operating system, and it comes with all the latest Google fancy features. Besides, it does not include bloatware, advertising or unnecessary applications, thus offering a pure Android experience. Its interface is very clean and simple, which makes it very easy for everyone to use. Thumbs up for that. Now let's talk about the cameras. The CP12p features a dual 60MP main camera with PDAF and a 2MP macro lens, while the CP12 with its iPhone looking camera module comes with a 30MP main camera and a 2MP macro lens. The CP12p has a slightly advantage in terms of quality camera, and both phones have the ability to record 1080p videos in 30fps, which is a kind of standard in this price range. For selfie enthusiasts, the CP12p boasts an 8MP front camera, while the CP12 is equipped with the modest 5MP front camera. Once again, the CP12p takes the lead in selfie quality. In the gallery that follows, you can see some photos and videos that we have taken with both smartphones in different situations, so let's have a look. Speaking of battery life, both phones come equipped with a 4500 mAh battery, which easily lasts through 2 days of use. Additionally, they both support 10W fast charging, so you won't find yourself waiting for hours to get your phone battery back to 100%. When it comes to pricing, the Coolpad CP12p is absolute bargain in just about €110, offering an incredible value proposition. On the other hand, the CP12 is even more budget-friendly, with their prices starting about €90, which is really friendly to your wallet. In summary, both of Coolpad CP12p and the CP12 provide excellent options for those on the budget. The CP12p shines with its slightly better display experience and the camera capabilities, while the CP12 stands out for its remarkable low cost, and there is also this cool similarity of the back to the new iPhone model. Your choice really comes down to the personal preferences and your specific priorities in a smartphone. Now there you have it, our in-depth comparison of the Coolpad CP12p and the CP12. If you are in the market for all-around budget device with a bit more power and the camera powerless, the CP12p might be your best bet. However, if you are on the even tighter budget, the CP12 offers impressive performance at an unbelievably low price, and there is its excellent quality finish in both phones. Remember to share your thoughts in the comment section. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more tech reviews, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching, bye!